Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So we have completed the Navisworks tutorial series and now we are starting the DiRoots tutorial series for your Revit. Okay, so whenever you are working in Revit, we are having an additional plugin or add-in that you can install from the DiRoots website. Okay, so as you can see here, I have installed this add-in. You can see DiRoots One, and also I will be attaching the link for the website, so you can also go and download this one. So this is DiRoots One from the DiRoots company. So here you will be having many extra add-in with the help of which you can faster your BIM work or your Revit production. Okay, and so we will be discussing all these tools that we are available in the DiRoots one by one in each video. So today we will be discussing about the SheetLink. So what is the use of this one and how you can utilize this to save your time. So let's say this is our HVAC file and we already know that we can create the schedules, okay, and the BOQs. Let's say we want to create the schedules for the mechanical equipment. So we are having some outdoor unit, we are having a split indoor unit, then we are having here again ducted split indoor unit. So we want to create a mechanical equipment schedule for all those quantities, and we will be taking some parameters like entering coil, leaving coil, or whatever parameters you want to export in the schedules you can check. So for creating any schedule, simply new schedules, then we will be selecting the categories here, mechanical equipment. Then after that we have to select the parameters. Okay, so let's say family and family type for default. Then I am taking some parameters from here like entering coil. Okay, so let me quickly take those parameters, and also you can search the parameters here. And if you haven't watched my videos for the Revit tutorial in which I have discussed in detail how you can create those parameters, how you can create those schedules, so you can go and check out my Revit tutorial playlist also. And let's say this one indoor unit and some outdoor unit. Okay, so we have taken those parameters for the mechanical equipment. So you can see here we are having this schedule. Now as we know that from the Revit we can export this data, this mechanical equipment schedule, okay, as an Excel file. To do that you have to simply go to file option, file application menu. From here export option is available. Understood? From here if you go down below you are having an option to save it as a schedule under the report tab. So schedule option is there, you can simply click on this one and this will be created as a schedule as per your location. You can save, let's say we are saving here, and okay, so this is schedule is created. Okay, understood. Now one drawback is there in the Revit itself, that you cannot import back this Excel into Revit again without any additional add-in or without any external add-in. Okay, let's say if you want to work in this Excel here and you want to fill some data. Okay, let me show you. Let's say you want to fill for all those units also some data like 28 for here. You are aware that 28 will be there. For this pad 30 value will be there. I'm just giving a sample. For here we are having a 35 value. Okay, then we are having 45 value here. Okay, so to do that you are adjusting, you are updating this Excel and you want these data to be synchronized with the Revit again. You need to import this Excel in the Revit and with the all those additional values that you have recently added in the Excel separately. So this is not possible in Revit without additional add-ins. Okay, so DiRoots is solving this problem because we don't want to work in the here in the Revit schedules, because sometimes when the schedules are very long, working manually here is a very big problem. Like if you are working here manually, it will take much time for you. Okay, we are more friendly with the Excels. Okay, we are having different formulas in Excel to faster our work. Okay, and we are having a good interface to work with Excel for such kind of schedules. So simply, if there is an external add-in that can import the data that we have edited here in the separate Excel after downloading or after exporting from Revit, that will be very beneficial. So that's the DiRoots is solving the problem. So for that one, if you go here, DiRoots One SheetLink is there. Okay, now from the SheetLink you can export the same schedule. Okay, and SheetLink is also giving some more feature. You can create the schedule from here also if you don't want to create the schedule by here. So first of all, here you can see we are having the model categories, same as the schedules. Whenever we are creating a schedules, we have to select the categories. So same like this in the DiRoots also, first option is model categories. You can select the model categories. Let's say mechanical equipment we have selected. Okay, understood. After that, mechanical equipment, once we have selected the mechanical equipment, let's say this one, we are having some parameters. Okay, so those parameters we are selecting, right? Those parameters we have selected after our next step. So here also the next step is, after selecting the categories, you have to select the parameters like family and family type if you are going. So family and then family type. Here you can see color coding is there. So all those parameters which are available in the green color are the instance parameter. Okay, then in the edit type we are having the type parameters. Okay, so all those type parameters are available in the yellow color, and some parameters which are read only parameters are available in the light orange color. Okay, so as per that it has given the color coding. Now we have to choose all the parameter, family type. Okay, so you can choose any parameter as per your requirement. So let's quickly select the same parameter again here. Sorry, entry. So for now, for as an example, I am taking only, let's say this one, we are taking this 3 red bulb. Understood. This one we have selected. After that, what we are doing, we have selected the categories, we have selected the parameter. After that, you can simply export this as a schedule. So we will be clicking here as an Excel sheet, and we will be selecting the location mechanical equipment, and then you can go and check out there. Okay, so override the existing worksheet. One worksheet is already there. So now you can see we are having this again exported Excel from the Revit with the help of DiRoots One. Understood. So here now if you will go, then you can update those parameters as per your requirement, and then again you can synchronize the data in Revit. Understood. Let me show you one example here. You can see for the DH192E unit, we are not having any entering on coil, tribal or wet bulb data here. So if I go to the same schedule in the Revit also, let me close this window. If we are going to some schedules here that we have recently created, you can see those unit. Okay, we can see here from the family type this data. We are not having any data related to on coil, tribal, wet bulb table here. Let's say we are filling those data in the Excel. Okay, let me copy some values here, 25, 35 and 45. So for example, we have copied this data in each 3 units. Understood. Now whatever data you want to work, you can work in this Excel. Then after that you can simply save this Excel and you can import that data again in the Revit, and you will be seeing those data will be updating in the Revit with the help of that Excel. So to do that, DiRoots again we have to go SheetLink, same again. In first step we have exported the data. Now we will be importing the data back. So we have to simply click on import from Excel. We will be going to same location where we have saved our Excel right now. You can see this one, open. Okay, so this Excel is opened in this. So model updated successfully. You will be seeing this notification, model updated successfully. Now let's go. You can see here this data is available right now there. So this is how you can export the Excel from the Revit with the help of this SheetLink. Then you can work on that Excel. Then again you can import the data from that Excel back into the Revit. Okay, so mainly if you are working on COBie projects, okay, COBie scopes, then this kind of SheetLink feature is very important for you. Understood. So this basic we understood. Next we are having some feature, quickly discuss this one. So whenever you are working here mechanical equipment, let's say you have selected some parameter. Okay, so parameter, which parameter you need as a first, up and down, so that order you can switch, like first as a family, second family type, third entering coil. So this you can switch up and down with the help of those arrows. Understood. This is very simple. To remove those parameters back again and start choosing parameters from the first step again. So to do that you can simply click here. Okay, now again you have to choose the parameters one by one as per your requirement. Understood. Now here we are having hide and checked categories. Whatever categories you have not checked, it will hide for that one. Okay, after that we are having include linked file also. So if you are working in HVAC file, you are having mechanical equipment, but in background you have appended the let's say water supply file also. So in water supply file, if you are having some mechanical equipment categories, you want to take those also in this schedule, you can click this one. Okay, explode linked file. Understood. Then after that we are having, let's say if you want to take the mechanical equipment categories for the whole file, whole model, so you will be clicking here. If you want to take the mechanical equipment total count, whatever is visible in the current active view, you can click this. And if you want to export the data for only selected element, let's say only these selected elements, 5 to 10 whatever mechanical equipment are there, I want to export the schedule only for those selected, then you can click on the current selection. Understood? So whatever current selection you have done, all those categories will be available there. Understood? Then we are having, after that we are having here next annotation categories. So this is very rarely used. So any annotation categories like grid level or any pipe tags, equipment tags, mechanical equipment tags, whatever you are having, all those data you need to check, then you can utilize this one. Then after that we are having elements. Okay, so we understood that in the model categories, if I am selecting mechanical equipment, so whatever mechanical equipment are there, okay, HVAC outdoor unit, SE split indoor unit, then we are having modular isolator pad, all those data will be exported. But if you want to pick only the, let's say if you want to pick only the HVAC outdoor unit, then you can go to element here. Then again you have to first select the categories mechanical equipment. Now you can select the particular family on this. Okay, it will not export the data for all the families, it will export the data for only selected one. Understood? Then we are having a schedule option here. You don't want to create the schedule or the parameter select again in the DiRoots tab. You are already created the schedules here. You want to use the same schedule, then you can simply use this schedule option. It will show you the schedule data here. Okay, you don't want to start picking the categories here, then selecting the parameters again. You have already done those process in the Revit schedule tab, so you can go here and select those schedules. So basically this is the most recommended. We should create the schedules in the schedules tab in Revit first, then we should utilize this tab. Understood? Then we are having a special option here in which you can export the data for rooms and space. You can export the data related to rooms or space. If you are working in architecture, then it is for you utilizable for rooms, and if you are working in MEP, if you are using spaces, then you can export the data for those also. The last one is the preview and edit, whatever you have selected. Let's say this mechanical equipment schedule we have selected. If you want to check the preview for now, you can check in the preview tab, so it will be showing you the preview tab. Okay, after that we are having here hide isolate selection. So whatever you have selected, let's say this schedule we have selected right now for the mechanical equipment, so isolate selection. So other than this mechanical equipment, everything will be hidden for now. Okay, for your easy check that you have selected the right elements. Okay, then again from here you are having an export project standard. If you want to export the project standard parameters like object style, line style, all the families, then you can utilize this one also. Let's say if we are checking here for the families and export it as an Excel, let's say this one HVAC family. So whatever families are available in your this model HVAC, it will export you. You can see air terminals, annotation symbol, whatever, each families has been exported for you here in this Excel. So this is how you can utilize. So mostly we are utilizing this DiRoots SheetLink, okay, for exporting the schedules and to import it back with the updated data. So we don't need to work in the schedules here. Understood? So I hope this video clears your doubt about the DiRoots SheetLink feature. Thanks for watching.